What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your leaky sunroof. So step one is diagnosing the problem. What I found, it just made a whole big puddle down here and it was leaking. Like, as you can still see, I still have water coming out of down here from all the puddles of water that were down here. It just leaks straight through the drains or up here. It just leaks straight down and then just comes down through here when it's supposed to be dripping underneath the car down there. Alright, so next up you have to open up your sunroof. Just push this back here. Should just open up just like that. Alright, so now with the sunroof open, there's two little drains that go in here. One straight back in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get a light real quick. Alright, so now with the light shining on it there's that little hole back there. You guys can see it. I'll circle it for the video. But you just have to, there's one on each side, and you just have to stick something long down there that's bendable that you can just stick down there and try to get all the gunk out of there. Or if it's just covered up on the surface, you can just brush it away as well. And here's the one on the other side just so you guys can see it. And so yeah, there's just the outer view. It's just right up in there. Yep. And a good thing you guys can use to stick down that little hole is like a metal wire that's like probably about a foot or two long that you can just stick down there. It's bendable, and just get anything that's clogged up in there, just free it up so it just flows out of the car. And then just to show you guys what's supposed to happen, I'm going to pretend like it's raining here. So it pours down in there. Let's dump like half the bottle. And then what should be happening is it leaks out right down there. And once it starts leaking out of there is how you know that you freed up the system there. And you'll know when you're done as soon as you stop getting puddles in here. So as you guys can see, there's no puddles or anything where I drained it from. So I'm all good now. Hopefully this video helped y'all out, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.